In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly website login loop. So if you're on your actual website by going to remitly.com and you can still sign in, that might be because a problem on that. So what you can do if you can't log into your profile, this might be because you're using an incorrect password, you aren't able to receive your two-factor authentication, or your profile is locked, suspended, or you usually sign in with smart lock. So if you're logging in and you are still asked to log in even after logging in so many times, this might mean that you're on a login loop. So to actually fix this, you need to make sure that you're entering the correct credentials. You can also try a different browser to check if it's actually a common problem. However, if you've already tested it on several devices, several IP, what you can do is you need to just wait it out until this particular problem was fixed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.